People in an exclusive Orange County community are remembering Whitney Houston as a former neighbor. She rented a house there several years ago before her divorce from Bobby Brown. Tonight, only on KCAL 9, Orange County reporter Michelle Geely takes us inside.
It was a hideaway for her.
Not many people knew it except for neighbors that Whitney Houston lived in this Laguna Hills home about the time she filed for divorce in Orange County Superior Court from Bobby Brown.
It was very quiet. We were a very respectful community to her. She would just come and do her thing, and she would walk in the neighborhood. She looked like a normal person. She's very polite to everybody.
According to the current homeowner, Houston lived in the 4-bedroom house for a year. She moved out in 2006.
We changed the windows, the doors.
The inside has been completely remodeled, but the backyard is virtually the same as it was when she was here. Property records show the Nellie Gale Ranch property was rented by Warren Boyd, an addiction specialist. He has been linked on the internet to Houston and other troubled stars who needed his help with their drug problems. Mike Norrie got his information from the pool man who worked for Whitney Houston.
At first I didn't take it seriously, but then, I thought, yeah, it's true, because he said that he had signed some paperwork that to keep it confidential. What he knew was that she had a contract in the area, some working contract or something, that she needed a close place.
Longtime Nellie Gale resident Nancy Martindale tells me friends often saw Houston and daughter Bobby Christina on walks together here. Now a daughter must help bury her mother.
Very sad. Loved her music, loved her. She was great all the way around. Good inspiration.
In Laguna Hills, Michelle Geely, KCAL 9 News.